Welcome to the DMV Practice Test Pro. Question 1. When slowing or stopping, you should use both brakes. A. Only if the pavement is wet. B. Infrequently. C. Only when riding in the city. D. Every time. The correct answer is D. Question 2. A person with a minimum blood alcohol content, BAC, of blank is considered legally intoxicated. A. 0.02%. B. 0.04%. C. 0.08%. D. 0.1%. The correct answer is C. Question 3. When entering a turn, a rider should A. Speed up. B. Reduce their speed. C. Move their shoulders to match the angle of the turn. D. Sit up as high as possible. The correct answer is B. Question 4. Riding on the far side of a lane when following another vehicle. A. Is recommended because you will be seen easily. B. Is not recommended because drivers seldom use their side mirrors and may not see you. C. Is recommended because a passenger in the vehicle may tell the driver that you are there. D. Is illegal because you have to ride in the center portion of the lane. The correct answer is B. Question 5. As you slow or stop, you should A. Shift up through the gears. B. Shift down through the gears. C. Take the bike out of gear. D. Stay in the same gear. The correct answer is B. Question 6. What can help reduce the risk of a head or neck injury in the event of a crash? A. Riding on the shoulder. B. Riding under the speed limit. C. Wearing a helmet. D. Not allowing a passenger on the motorcycle. The correct answer is C. Question 7. An approved helmet. A. Allows the wearer to see as far to the sides as necessary. B. Restricts the field of vision. C. Is usually uncomfortable. D. Does not have any markings or tags. The correct answer is A. Question 8. Regulatory signs are usually blank and should always be obeyed. A. Blue. B. White. C. Red. D. Green. The correct answer is B. Question 9. This road sign means A. Slow down or stop. B. Stop, if necessary. C. You must come to a complete stop. D. Drive with caution and be ready to stop. The correct answer is C. Question 10. Where is the horn button usually located? A. By the left hand grip. B. By the right hand grip. C. By the left footrest. D. By the right footrest. The correct answer is A. Question 11. Consequences for driving under the influence. DUI may include A. License suspension. B. Court-ordered attendance to an alcohol safety program. C. Fines. D. All of the above. The correct answer is D. Question 12. On a motorcycle, a horn A. is useless. B. usually cannot be heard by others. C. can be used to get someone's attention quickly. D. should not be used. The correct answer is C. Question 13. When your mirrors are properly adjusted, you should see A. only next to your motorcycle. B. only behind your motorcycle. C. the lane behind you and the lane next to you. D. the front of your helmet. The correct answer is C. Question 14. A pre-ride inspection should be done A. before every ride. B. once a week. C. once a month. D. twice a month. The correct answer is A. Question 15. To lessen your chances of being involved in an accident, you should A. try to blend into traffic and not be noticed by other drivers. B. not use turn signals unless you are traveling at night. C. use your turn signals when changing lanes and making turns. D. ride closely to the vehicle ahead of you. The correct answer is C. Question 16. When being passed, do not move into the portion of the lane farthest from the passing vehicle because A. the passing vehicle may re-enter your lane too early. B. you may prevent another vehicle from passing you. C. the portion of the lane nearest the passing vehicle is better. D. you are more likely to experience a wind blast from the passing vehicle on the far side of the lane. The correct answer is A. Question 17. Goggles will A. protect only your eyes. B. be an equally as effective as a face shield. C. offer the same protection as a windshield. D. provide protection for your entire face. The correct answer is A. Question 18. What do speed limit signs indicate? A. potential operating speeds for the area. B. the speed operators should travel in heavy traffic. C. the maximum or minimum speed that is legally allowed to be driven. D. the speed operators should travel under poor conditions. The correct answer is C. Question 19. When riding a motorcycle, you should A. Assume the motorcycle is as easy to see as other vehicles. B. Assume other drivers can't see you. C. Not be concerned with taking steps to ensure that other drivers see you. D. Ride offensively. The correct answer is B. Question 20. When both braking and swerving must be done to avoid an unexpected hazard, a rider should A. Perform one action, then the other. B. Perform both actions at the same time and apply extra braking pressure. C. Perform both actions at the same time, but mainly focus on swerving. D. Not perform either action. The correct answer is A. Question 21. This road sign means A. You are about to enter a one-way street the wrong way. B. School crossing ahead. C. Do not drive in this lane. D. Traffic turning left on the green light must yield to oncoming traffic. The correct answer is D. Question 22. When riding a motorcycle, A. It is a good idea to drag your feet. B. Your toes should be pointed downward. C. You should keep your feet firmly on the footrests. D. You should try to keep your feet away from the controls. The correct answer is C. Question 23. Downward-facing triangular signs. A. Tell riders to yield. B. Indicate school zones. C. Indicate construction zones. D. Indicate railroad crossings. The correct answer is A. Question 24. A primary cause of single-vehicle motorcycle collisions is A. Motorcyclists' tendency to ride too fast for weather conditions. B. Motorcyclists turning too wide in a curve or turn. C. Motorcyclists falling asleep while riding. D. Motorcyclists running off the road while trying to avoid a collision with another vehicle. The correct answer is B. Question 25. It may be unsafe to ride alongside a vehicle in the lane next to you because A. The driver next to you may not be able to see you. B. The vehicle will block your path of escape if a hazard should appear in your lane. C. The driver may begin merging into your lane. D. All of the above. The correct answer is D.